In this video, we will perform a TranStar planetary gear installation. To perform this installation, you will need the following tools and materials. To begin, place the TranStar tractor upright and align the side of the unit with the edge of your work surface. Using the 3/32 T-handle Allen wrench, back out the set screws and the planetary extensions until they're flush with the inside of the planetary hubs. The extensions come with the set screws all the way in. They need to be backed out for clearance in the installation. Take one of the planetary extensions and align the two opposing holes on the inside of the extension with the pins on the rear drive wheel mechanism. Gently rotate the wheel extension to align the pins. Then push the extension towards the TranStar body to seat it. Once seated, rotate the extension until the set screw aligns with the hole in the tractor body above the drive wheel. Use the 3/32 T-handle Allen wrench to tighten the set screw. The set screw should go in with little to no resistance. If resistance is encountered, your set screw and hole may not be perfectly aligned. If this happens, then back out your screw, check your alignment, and then try tightening the screw again. Perform the same steps to attach another planetary extension to the front drive wheel on the same side. Now rotate the tractor to the opposite side and repeat the process from the first side to attach the two remaining planetary extensions to the front and rear drive wheels. Now gently turn the TranStar upside down on your work surface. Any blast plate or skid rails on the bottom of the unit must be removed before continuing. After any existing plates or rails have been removed, take the two planetary extension braces and lay them across the front and rear planetary gears with the tapered holes facing up. The 4 longer screws connect the extension braces to the TranStar body, and the 8 shorter screws connect the braces to the planetary gears. Beginning with the 4 longer screws, thread the screws into the holes connecting the extension braces to the TranStar body, but do not tighten them yet. Thread the 8 shorter screws into the holes connecting the extension braces to the planetary gears, but once again, do not tighten them just yet. After all the screws are started, tighten them with the 5/32 T-handle Allen wrench, starting with the longer screws connecting the braces to the body, then the shorter screws connecting the braces to the planetary gears. Now turn the tractor right side up and align the end of the planetary gears to the edge of your work surface. Take one of the knobby balloon wheels and align the pinholes on the inside of the hub with the pins on the middle drive wheel and press in to seat the pins. Hold the wheel in place and thread a 2¼ inch bolt and lock washer through the center of the hub to secure the knobby wheel to the drive wheel and tighten the bolt with a 7/16 wrench. Take one of the 8-inch pneumatic wheels and align the notches on the inside of the hub with the pins on one of the planetary gears and press it to seat the pins. Hold the wheel in place with a 3¼ inch bolt, flat washer, and lock washer through the center of the hub to secure the wheel to the Planetary gear. Tighten the bolt with the 7/16 wrench. Repeat the process to attach another of the 8-inch pneumatic wheels to the other Planetary gear on this side. When you have mounted all 3 wheels on one side, lift the TranStar unit and place it on the side with the installed wheels to easily access the opposite side. Repeat the process from the first side to install the other knobby balloon wheel and 2 8-inch pneumatic wheels. When you have all 6 wheels successfully installed, your TranStar unit is ready for action. You can contact product support for additional troubleshooting assistance after completing these initial tasks.